Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about you and I. What I'm talking about. Be careful what you say to yourself and others, because what we do say to our friends do affect us a lot, and what causes it. Please, what should we do to it? Probably cut it up. Of course, no, we're not going to cut it up, because without it we can't do that. We can't talk without it. So what are we going to do to stop talking anymore? They say I've been talking too much, blah blah blah. So what did I mean by the way we talk affecting us? Yes. For example, now, okay, you tell yourself, oh, I hate myself. I hate the kind of life I'm living. I want to die. This money, you're gone. Whose fault? Mine? Of course not. It's not my fault. It's your fault. So we should be careful of what we say to ourselves, because this thing is more or less but very, very, very powerful. Please, guys, be careful of what you say to yourself and others. And the way we talk to ourselves affects us. Every aspect of what we're doing, it affects us. Maybe probably if I use this tongue of mine very well, very wisely, I won't be where I am. I'll be more higher. But because of the way I use this thing, I'm still where I am. But it doesn't matter. I hope I learn how to use it then. How can we learn how to use this tongue of us? How to control ourselves the way we speak? First of all, be conscious of what you say. Stop being negative. Stay positive. Stay positive. Negative is a very bad sign. It's only used in the hospital. The negative voice is very good at the hospital, but in any other aspect, it's a very bad sign. But positive in hospital is very bad. Sorry for that. Just kind of chipping. So guys, please, let's stay positive and let's talk to ourselves. Even if bad things is happening to us, please just try and stay positive. God, please, guys, hope I'm not talking so fast. Sorry. We should be, if any bad things happen to us, we should be like, God, please, I hope this do this, I hope this do that. We should stay positive. Positivity is the key. Avoid being a fakie. What did I mean by being a fakie? Sorry, it is called fake, not fakie. I call it fakie. Stop being a fakie. Stop telling people what you are, and okay, for example, because you want people to like you or love you, you be like, sorry guys for this negative word that I want to use. You'll be like, my mom is sick, she's gonna die, I need money. You don't have to do that so as to gain people's affection. Okay, probably there's a possibility that your mom might get sick and you might need money. So stop talking anyhow. Be cautious of what you say and know when to talk and when not. Just know when to shut up and when not to shut up. Do you know what I'm saying? Please stop wishing people bad. It's not much for you. If you don't like me, it's fine. I know you don't like me, so no problem. But don't wish me bad. So to like everybody, not everybody else to like you, no problem. But don't wish anybody bad. Please just stay positive. Stay clean. That's all for now, guys. I hope you stay positive. Stay positive. Everybody stay positive. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to Marble Fun World and turn on the notification whenever I drop a new jam. You will be there to see. For me, myself, and I will say, be happy, Marble.